Yo, what's up guys? Whew, I'm out of breath, just ran down the stairs. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're actually starting something on my car. If you guys watched my first video on my car, I showed you guys that I had a broken rear light, which is that little big crack right there. Just got a parcel today, or yesterday, and it's got my new one, which is good. Pretty happy about what I just bought, so I'm so keen to put it in. Let's get to this rear light, and then after that, we'll get to the Shockworks. I'm just gonna plug it in and test it out before I screw it all up. Because if it's broken, I'm not gonna be happy. And since there's only me here, I'm gonna have to record on my phone, and then come have a look at it after. Yeah, check me out. Brake lights. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm gonna screw that up and I'll be happy with that. Happy days. Alright, we're just on the way to Autobahn. Actually, we gotta go to Officeworks and Pet Stock as well. Anyways, as you guys know, I'm from Victoria. Surprise, surprise, we're in lockdown again. Shame. Yeah, we just picked up these Super Pro bump stops. Which are these ones? Luckily we did the order yesterday because we would have been ages. We did a click and collect, so. Oh yeah, mask again. Shit ass. This is the next day, the main feature of the video, the reason why you probably clicked on this video. I got these for my G6E. As you can see right here, you probably already know what they are. As you can already tell by the title, you probably already know what they are. But, I'm gonna show you guys, and then we're gonna slap them in. I'm keen for some good handling, keen for some low. Yeah. I've already messed with the boxing a bit, but we're gonna check it out anyways. I'm gonna lay out all the pieces. And all that goes in that. All right, there we go, all unboxed. Ready to go. Alright guys, before we get going, I'm going to show you a picture of before, right here. I'm going to pop it up. Going to install these coilovers, and then I'll show you the finished setup at the end. But then, let's just get to it. Enough mucking around. He's already got the car up. It's been like 1 minute. Let's get to it. This is not a tutorial by any means. This is just our process of what we're doing, and me just vlogging it. But if you do have any questions, let us know. My dad does know what he's doing. Me, not so much. But if you have any questions, I'll be the messenger and we'll see what we can do. So the bolts are under there for the fronts and right here as well, just so you guys know. Bolt here you gotta undo to pull this out. And then on the bottom here, you gotta undo that. The reason why you do this is so you can drop it down, so then this can lift up out of its place. But it's gonna be a lot easier to put the Shockworks in because they're shorter, so should be chill. No. Alright, the fronts are in. We just got 2 bolts on the front wheels. We're gonna do the rears, drop it, check the height, and then adjust it from there. Alright, that's the Petters. I think it might be heavy duty spring, but that's what was in it. And that's what we're putting in. It's a bit cooked. That's cooked.
What I think we might do is get the bottom one in first. I'm gonna have to
Good. Hold it there. Yeah. That rear side is done. We're just going to do the other side, so not going to record anything. We're just going to get it done. So I'll show you after. Coilovers are in. Just tighten up the wheels. Got a couple bolts on. We're going to drop it, roll it out to the flat ground out there, and then adjust the heights from there.
nice and easy.
He's just rolling it up the bump, just let them settle in so we can adjust them again. So obviously that's already settled down a little bit more, but it's got way more adjusting to go. Yeah, it looks good. Definitely needs to go a bit lower, but...
Alright, I finished installing the coilovers. We've just set it on the stock height that they've given it to us, that Shockworks gave it to us as. It's definitely a lot lower than what it was stock, but I'm wanting to go lower, so I'm just gonna ride it for a week, let the spring settle in a bit. Then we'll go somewhere where we actually have some flat ground, and we definitely gotta get some tire tucking at least. I don't like seeing the top of the tires. I don't know if you can see. That's a no-no. I'm gonna continue this video on, so I'll see you in a minute. Alright, we're actually back, same day. I think I'm just gonna load it straight away. I can't be bothered waiting. When we get some flat floors, then we'll check if it's even. But yeah, let's go. Oh my god, what a night. Just had to pick up some treats. Some apple pies, some custard and some M&Ms. But yeah, we got the king out to help me out. And we got the car a bit lower because the boy said, but thank you Daniel. As you know, that's Daniel's car. This is what the height's at now. And I'm happy. Probably should get a camber kit. Need some new tires, I figured it out just then. Wheel alignment, and then we'll be dreams. Happy, did a good job. And also, thanks Tim for giving me some pointers. Really helped me. Tim from Shockworks, just so you know. Such a good lad, gangster. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. But yeah, let's go.